The sky of 2075 is no longer limited as a highway. Imagine boarding a private jet that can cross the Atlantic in less than 10 minutes, or fly from New York to Sydney in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. These are not dreams, they are the reality of hypersonic private jets. From the moment passengers step aboard, they are greeted by a fusion of luxury, speed, and artificial intelligence. Holographic displays float above polished metal surfaces, giving real-time updates on flight path, weather conditions, and engine performance. The story begins by tracing the evolution of aviation from the first commercial jets of the 20th century to the hypersonic marvels of 2075. Engineers and historians explain the breakthroughs that made supersonic flight common by 2035, and how relentless innovation led to hypersonic travel for the ultra-wealthy. Passengers feel the thrill. From the very first second, the subtle hum of plasma engines, the near-weightless sensation as the craft accelerates, and the astonishing vistas of Earth from altitudes previously reserved for satellites. Interviews with aviation experts highlight the challenges of safety, energy efficiency, and comfort when dealing with velocities over Mach 20. Those who first experience these flights describe a mixture of skepticism and awe as they witness transcontinental journeys completed in mere minutes. By the end of this introduction, it is clear that these jets are more than machines, they are the culmination of humanity's dream to conquer time and distance. Flying at hypersonic speeds requires more than raw power, it demands perfection in engineering. The fuselage is composed of adaptive alloys that withstand the intense heat generated at Mach 20, while the interior remains comfortably temperate for passengers. Engineers reveal the breakthroughs that make this possible: plasma-coated wings, frictionless surfaces, and adaptive aerodynamics that shift in real time to maintain stability. Fuel systems no longer rely on chemical combustion alone. Quantum hybrid engines integrate plasma cores with renewable energy sources, producing both extreme speed and zero emissions. Every system is continuously monitored by AI copilots that predict mechanical stress, adjust flight paths to minimize turbulence, and optimize energy consumption. Redundant safety systems are layered throughout, ensuring that even in the unlikely event of a core failure, the aircraft remains stable and controllable. Engineers describe the immense challenge of maintaining cabin pressure, regulating internal temperature, and managing structural stress under extreme acceleration. Decades of incremental innovation from supersonic commercial planes to solar-powered experimental aircraft culminated in these advanced hypersonic jets. Luxury is seamlessly integrated into the design. Anti-gravity seating adjusts automatically to each passenger's body weight. Panoramic old windows display Earth from multiple perspectives, and AI-managed amenities anticipate every need. The result is a vessel that fuses speed, safety, and comfort into a single, elegant machine. At hypersonic speeds, human reflexes alone are insufficient. Every private jet of 2075 is equipped with a central AI intelligence system, capable of processing data from thousands of sensors: air pressure, temperature, ionization levels, and satellite positioning. The AI predicts turbulence, weather phenomena, and even potential collisions with space debris. It communicates seamlessly with ground control and other aircraft, forming a dynamic network of hyperspeed traffic management. Inside the cockpit, holographic controls, gesture-based commands, and predictive AI overlays provide real-time flight analytics. Pilots describe the experience as a symbiotic relationship. The AI amplifies human intuition rather than replacing it. Passengers interact with onboard AI assistants to customize the cabin environment, view live flight data, or simulate historical and educational scenarios. Real-world examples illustrate AI in action: rerouting to avoid a sudden ion storm over the Pacific, leveraging upper atmosphere winds to save energy, and coordinating with orbital satellites for precise trajectory adjustments. Safety remains paramount. Multiple fail-safes include emergency propulsion systems, retractable shields to prevent structural damage, and self-docking capabilities at vertical skyports. The AI ensures passengers can enjoy the thrill of hypersonic travel with complete confidence in the aircraft's reliability. Hypersonic travel is not just about speed, it is about redefining Luxury. Within the 2075 private jet, every detail caters to comfort and experience. Anti-gravity seating simulates weightlessness, while smart glass windows display real-time Earth maps, overlaid with augmented reality educational content. Molecular gastronomy kitchens function flawlessly under extreme acceleration, preparing meals with AI precision. Sommeliers and chefs tailor dining experiences based on biometric data, mood, and taste preferences. Entertainment merges with education and immersion. Passengers can simulate space travel, historical flight missions, or fantasy landscapes synchronized with the outside scenery. Private conference rooms allow executives to conduct multi-continent meetings within minutes, while wellness pods offer guided meditation, oxygen enrichment, and stress relief. The jet's design ensures that every second of the journey is as spectacular as the destination, creating an unforgettable combination of thrill, comfort, and sophistication. Achieving Mach 20 travel demands mastery of physics and materials science. The fuselage utilizes metamaterials capable of withstanding extreme frictional heating, while ultra-lightweight carbon composites minimize weight. Plasma shielding ionizes surrounding air to reduce drag and prevent atmospheric burning, allowing the jet to glide effortlessly through the sky. Quantum hybrid engines combine fusion plasma, solar energy, and electromagnetic acceleration, enabling extreme speed with zero emissions. Thermal regulation is crucial. Innovative heat management systems channel energy from friction and plasma flow to power onboard. Electronics, AI, and luxury amenities. Engineers explain that these jets represent the culmination of decades of experimentation. From supersonic commercial aircraft to Mach 10 military prototypes, each technological leap was refined to produce a reliable, luxurious, and efficient hypersonic vehicle. AI copilots are essential at hypersonic velocities. These systems analyze atmospheric conditions, orbital debris, magnetic interference, and flight corridor data in real time. Predictive algorithms calculate optimal flight paths, adjusting speed and altitude instantaneously to conserve energy, maintain safety, and avoid turbulence. Pilots issue natural language commands or gestures, and the AI responds instantly. During emergencies, it can autonomously deploy emergency thrust, retractable shields, or self-docking procedures. Case studies demonstrate AI's life-saving potential, navigating sudden meteor showers, upper atmosphere lightning strikes, or rapid course corrections. Human pilots describe the AI as an extension of their instincts, while passengers experience reassurance, knowing that millions of calculations are executed every second to guarantee safety. Luxury is fully integrated with hypersonic engineering, anti-gravity seating, panoramic windows, and molecular gastronomy kitchens redefine comfort and entertainment. Dining is curated by AI chefs, while biometric and mood analysis ensures personalized service. Entertainment systems simulate space travel, historical events, or fantastical landscapes in immersive VR. Private conference rooms enable real-time global business meetings, and wellness pods mitigate the physiological effects of extreme velocity. Passengers experience a fusion of exhilaration and relaxation. Every detail from food to seating, from entertainment to wellness is orchestrated to maximize comfort. While complementing the thrill of supersonic flight, the journey itself becomes a luxurious, educational, and unforgettable adventure. Hypersonic private jets redefine business, tourism, and urban planning. Executives can traverse continents in minutes, while tourism to remote locations becomes viable. Vertical skyports replace traditional airports, and AI-controlled air corridors ensure safe and efficient traffic flow. Zero-emission engines reduce environmental impact, while economists anticipate new industries around hypersonic travel, aerial real estate, intercontinental freight, and entertainment hubs in the sky. Historical context shows humanity's progress, from the first jetliners to supersonic Concords to Mach 10 military prototypes, leading to the luxurious hypersonic private jets of 2075. These innovations reshape society, compressing time and space while expanding possibilities for exploration and connection. Looking ahead, hypersonic travel will evolve further. Integration with orbital flight may blur the line between aviation and space exploration. I will coordinate not only speed and safety, but personalized experiences for each passenger. Urban planners envision aerial networks linking cities, while global commerce and tourism adapt to near-instant travel. Zero-emission propulsion becomes standard, reducing humanity's carbon footprint. Hypersonic private jets may eventually be accessible to wider populations, democratizing the experience of ultra-fast travel. Future innovations could include interstellar transport, anti-gravity propulsion, and fully autonomous flying cities. The foundation laid in 2075 paves the way for humanity to conquer distance, time, and the boundaries of imagination. Hypersonic private jets are more than speed machines. They are symbols of human ambition, creativity, and technological mastery. The thrill of crossing continents in minutes, the elegance of eye-assisted flight, and the luxury of anti-gravity cabins combine to create experiences that redefine travel. Passengers, pilots, and engineers share their awe at witnessing these feats of engineering. Futurists imagine the next century, orbital travel, interplanetary journeys, and AI-managed flying cities. As the story concludes, viewers are left with a sense of wonder. Hypersonic travel represents the culmination of centuries of innovation and a glimpse into a limitless future where speed, luxury, and intelligence converge. Humanity has turned the sky into a highway, and the journey has only just begun.